Welcome back or to the Belly Up Bar. Today we're going to make a drink called a BROOKLYNITE. BROOKLYNITE, a little bit different from the Brooklyn. This is a one for rum people that you can use almost any rum in it. It just tastes great. It's a good cocktail to test your various rums. So let's get started building it. First of all, I'm going to use some rum, Teeda, that isn't really called for in any recipes I have. It's from Japan, Okinawa. It's 80 proof, and we'll give it a shot. Calls for 2 of those. This has a El Dorado darker flavor and aroma, so hope I'm gonna like it. 3/4 lime juice. I've made this drink many times with different rums, always good. And we're going to use 3/4 of the Acacia honey. It's a rich syrup, 2 honey to 1 water. Acacia, ACACIA. We're going to use 3/4 of that. And a dash of Angostura bitters. And I've got my glass cooling here with the shake ice. I'm not going to shake this too much. It doesn't have much to mix. Just want to cool it off. You can feel that it's cool through the tin. And I like to put a little shard in my drinks, as you know. Keep it cool while I'm sipping on it. And a little squeeze of lime. Drop that in. And I don't usually do this, but since I'm using a little bit different rum, I'm going to give this a shot. Absolutely delicious. Okay, this is a BROOKLYNITE using Japanese rum. Any rum will do. I'll put the recipe in the description. Please hit the like button if you like this. And I've got a scant number of subscribers, so anyway, I'm working my way up the hill. Thanks for watching.